We are cruising with the Borla exhaust. I'm going to kind of just show you how it sounds. Getting up to cruising speed, there's slight drone between 40 and 60. So it is not droneless. On the highway though, definitely drone free. So as you can see, guys, very quiet. Gonna be awesome for road trips. No obnoxious sounds. Just gonna give it the beans. Show you a little launch. Sport mode. A little decelerate. A little engine brake action. Just so you guys can get that full experience. There it is. All right, y'all, I'm gonna demonstrate the drone real quick. Really kicks in, like, I'd say right around 30. Depends what your gear you're in. See, I'm in, usually when I keep it in drive, I seem to get it more, so because it's always kind of going up a gear, so it's kind of bogging a little. So it's always between like 35 and as soon as I get to 60, it simply goes away. Casual acceleration. It's like it's not even there. The road noise is louder than it just cruising around and not trying to draw attention to yourself. Okay, so one of the main reasons I did pick this system was because it's supposed to be drone free on the highway. And as you can see, it's pretty nice. Can't hear it. Sound of my tires are hella loud. Other than that, it's basically stock on the highway, which is perfect. That's what I wanted. I didn't want to have an annoying sound on road trips or something that's going to drive me crazy in the back of my head. So yeah, so far this is a perfect exhaust for the road. And if you're into road trips and stuff like that, guys, definitely pick this up. Totally worth the investment, and it sounds amazing.